Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another deal of the week on this fine Saturday. This week we're going to be focusing on one car. Really nice deal that popped up over in Vancouver, Washington. This is a 1980 Plymouth Volare Duster model. The Volare Dusters came out in 79 and 80. I like these because it's a base model, and you can remember what you can do with just that regular base model. You can really church it up. So I'm a big fan. Moving on to the interior, we do see that Highland plaid with a 4-speed or possibly a 3-speed. Looking at the shifter, it is indeed a 3-speed. Nice dash pad, nice seats, no rips. The rest of the outside pictures of the car, kind of grainy, Nokia phone style, but it looks like a very decent car. It's got some the nice wheels. Looks like some nice white wall tires, very period correct. Don't see much for rust on the car. It's pretty bland. Nice to see a 318. Does look like a new alternator, maybe a new radiator. So the seller does note it is a daily driver, so that is a big plus for it. And underneath is very nice for a Washington car. Looks like a new exhaust been put on it. So big fan. This looks like a great deal. And for the price, he's only got it priced to $4,600, people. $4,600. There's some of the seller's details if you want to read into it. And this is a great deal. So I think I wouldn't even dog him on the price at all. It's got great potential to make a great project hot rod. I mean, just the things that you can do to take a base model and take it from bland to so much more. So, but this is my deal of the week. So appreciate you guys watching as always. And always remember, they don't move until you do.